And no better some people no want for themselves, you know. I help them not have. That's why me not judge people. When me see some youth are about them and me and I do all sort of things with them life. Or some girl I sell them body and I do all sort of things with them life. Me not judge them because some of them want better. In the streets me there every day. Enough people me know I do things with them want do better, but them not no help. And when me I talk about help, them not no financial help, them not no emotional help, them not no physical help, them not have no help. Nobody know they around them we go see the potential in them and want pull it out. Nobody no want take them to a next level. Nobody no want show them something different and take them to a different atmosphere. Them a do the only thing where them know. Them a do the only thing where them come see, probably grew up come see too. So and I really better them no want to help them no have. And that's why I tell people every day treat people good enough. I'm not talk about family right so because we know say some family not even give a plate of food, much less to help you with nothing at all. Some family will have it and look by you and still not help you in a way you do for say, you know what, him have potential, me help him and you know it look good for the family and the family can rise. You know what, she have potential, me help her and make she do something and rise so the family can rise. The family them not do that. Them rather come together and jump up with money for bury you. But them not send the money come help you for elevate, go to school, do this and do that. Not that they are obligated to, but I'm just saying them no family not really help each other. Again, let me tell you that. Me can't tell you that. Family not really help each other, so we're not talking about family right. So I tell people every day treat people good. Everybody you meet, treat them good because let me tell you, your destiny helpers are strangers. Some people we don't know. Even the Bible tells us street strangers good because you might encounter angels. Treat people good no matter who or what. Treat people good because you don't know who are going to come help you, who are going to see the potential in you and just want to pull it out of you. Treat everybody good. Treat the janitor good, the CEO good. Treat everybody good because you never know. And next thing I'm telling you this, don't look down for nobody because the same person the way you look at as a nobody today can be the highest person tomorrow. Don't use your mouth bring down nobody too. Sometimes when them are doing right, it not look good, but pray for them and help them in any way you can rather than judge them. Some people know no better because nobody never show them no better. We love judge people and we love do the things them, but help somebody. If you can help somebody, help them. May I tell you, reward may not come from the specific person where you help, but it definitely comes from God. My God, help somebody, treat people good, and don't put your mouth on nobody. Pray for somebody rather than talk about them. My mama tell you that.